Ciao Judy, ciao everyone.
Ciao.
How?
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. We are ready to go to IKEA today. It's my off and it's my husband's vacation, so we will go to IKEA, Serbia. So let's go, guys. I will show you how it's there. Okay, ciao. See you later in the road. We are out of Belgrade. We pass. Wow, it's very nice.
But everywhere I go, always I saw the map.
Wow, mountain in Serbia. You see? Wala, no. See Avala Tower, but it's far. We can't pass it. So, finish Chachak. Chachak. This Avala Tower is the mountain in Belgrade, guys. We need to go there for hiking on summer.
Yes, I want to bring you there.
So I can see from here now, IKEA, guys. See?
Just wanna be with you. Just wanna be with you. Just wanna be with you. Just wanna be with you.
Wow, so it means in summer this one is too nice, so green. This time will be brown because of winter, a bit cold, and but in the summer, oh, it's nice to go there. So we are now on IKEA, guys. Go to IKEA to buy some flower beds for my mom. Guys. At this view from here.
Just wanna be with you.
Small mountain there. Sadravo. Sadravo. Sadravo, Ljode. We are here now. Okay, we park. We arrived here. So, what jacket? Oh, with cigarettes and them. It's very nice. So they have the toilet. Of course, always I go to toilet first to wash hands. And you have time to walk a bit to go to all these shops. Waikiki. Sinsai. So this is outlet mall. We can go here and check, see what is there, and then after that we go to so they have their Lacoste, Puma, and Converse. Under Armour is here. Let's go to check for the kids. There is kid place to them to. Oliver, there is for the kids, there is for Moy kiosk, there is here Starbucks. We go to Starbucks. Starbucks. Galav, come, I will here. Yellow. Okay, no, too much I think. So there is a Starbucks here, guys. Medium is too big. Oh, love. So I have this, guys. White chocolate. He has this.
Latte.
The
Cafe
first
latte.
coffee latte.
Yes.
And I have muffin. And this view. Ciao guys! So I'm here now in Starbucks, and they have only two Starbucks in Belgrade. I mean, that's what we know because that's what we saw here. So I'm happy for finding Starbucks because Filipino people, it's addict with the Starbucks. Right? We have Starbucks and everywhere we have Starbucks there. So. Well, so guys, for his coffee latte, 150 dinars. I have then
175 pesos.
I have touch now. Touch now. It's correct. And then I have the 400, which is 200 pesos. Muffins for
Muffin is
290.
290. So it means
290, 400, 350, and because I have the white vanilla syrup something, they add me 50, and that's it.
And
It's Starbucks, guys. So we will put back this. We need to put the coin, yeah. Okay, we need to put back the card. One moment. Okay, so you need to
it
put there. Hey, you get your 5 dinar. So yes, we are done in Lidl. So you want the 5 dinar?
because I like your kind of skin.
Oh.
I like you.
Let's go on to see what is inside of IKEA. I'm so excited. It's for the entrance now. First we get the bag, and then we have this. You can write what you want to buy. And there is a pen. He has also. I have also. There is a name IKEA. See, I cannot show it. There is bag. Okay. So let's go up and we go to buy what we want. Eh, they have a lot. We have this in Philippines as well. Dinosaur.
Just wanna be with you. Just wanna be with you.
I need this love. I found. I like this. For my uniform at my work, I need this a lot. So there, the small elephant, baby elephant. Hey, yeah, the sofa, they have this nice vase. There is a table. Ah, I have this in Philippines. Yay! We have this before when we are in Dubai, and now I send this in Philippines. You see, this is the price. It's very cheap. Not so cheap, but it's very nice quality we used before. Again, dinosaur. So let's go for plants because we need a base for plants. Oh, it's nice. By the way, I love home appliances. I love you. Why are you asking me too much? All day asking me if I love him. koala is there. Koala with baby koala. I like this TV seat. I mean, how is with the glass. You know this sliding glass there. I like this. But the price, I don't know. Like, is this 35,000 all? Ah, no, it's 59. So, but it looks like really, we love. You see how it is? Yeah, it's cute. This is what we have already. We bought. You bought, Mama and you. There's, you see, arranging with this place. How many people? You see, with the curtain and with this. See how really the kitchen looks like. Have this. Yes, this is electric one. See how it is. This is the frame, love ko.
Yes, this one I'm telling you.
It's very cute. Really, it's how they are making is very nice. I think we need this one for our photo. So we found this, guys, and I bought this. Not more. I think this is enough for my uniform. You see, I bought 4 or 5. So this one we have in our the place where I work, and this is for the cell phone. You can put cell phone here to stand. Where is your cell phone? You can put here for the sample. Put stand and no, it's different. Here, yeah, like that. Yes, and it's look like that. And really, guys, there is a toilet also inside of this. You see, it's very nice. Yes, this is for. You see, it's very cute for the. It's very nice. But it's hard. What is this one? Guys, I found. This is what I lost my pig. It's here in IKEA. Oh, it's very nice. Panda is there. And this is for Alexander. But he go back to Dubai. It's too late that I know. I speak this turtle. For kids things, they have this. Yes, you see, it's for the kid. They have the plates, they have here. This is all for the kid. This is for the kid poop. This is for Biba. Biba poop. Yes.
We said we need this.
Off, my ass is cannot. You see, for bathing of them. Yes, for baby. It's a crib. Biba crib. With there is the color of this. I know this.
For calculation.
Yeah, this is for calculation for them. And what? We will go down. We're going down. See now, all for the kitchen. I found takore. There is takore here.
What is the name?
Takore. We are using in Philippines for hot water. And you see, very small mug. There's all kind of mugs. coffee. You see how they are doing this, like all covering. You see how they are putting there. You see, we have this also. Philippines a lot. Winter, huh? Oh my god, this is look like a cow. This is the cow? The sheep? This is the cow. Ano ah? Ha, love? Love. This is the cow?
Yes.
This is the cow. Oh my god. You see, it's a cow. You see? Oh my god. It's yeah, this is cow. You see, it's a cow here.
Name Sharulia.
This is cow. You see? You see this? It's like a horse. Horses. This I think from the horse. You see the hair?
Yeah, this is
Sheep. But really this one is like mocha. Mocha. You can go there. No, not you. Him. Uh-huh. 1 minute again. Put. Oh my god, that is cow. My favorite station.
very good. I need to buy this.
Where? Where? No, it's 150, I think. Last time. Oh guys, I found this is what we call terracotta pot. So I take one of those. So there is here 4.99. So this is good for the snake plants I have in the house. I need to transfer in this box and in this pot, and then I found it. So I got, because there is, you see, there is a hole. Yeah. And then you can put plants, and then you can put this with this, and it's look like this. There is a water and can come. So the chair is this on the top of the world. So we are done now in, how to say, what you are bringing? Shouldn't IKEA. So we bought now what we need, and then now it's time to put in the car first, and then we go back for lunchtime. This is the parking area here, and then in that area, so there is a bus 70. This is the bus 70 is here, and all here are parking area of this IKEA. So in that side for bus 70, only one bus. You can see there on the top there is a restaurant. So we go back inside for lunch. We are hungry now. So
Our flag.
yeah, their flag, Serbia in IKEA. There is very nice heart. And really, yeah, there is the bus. You see, this is, I think, the bus station, love, yeah? Yeah, this is only one bus there. Did you say?
Dokland.
Because I want to try in Serbian, like, okay, you need to
It's not
self, like, okay, and waiting. Now you see how too many you need to take all. Okay, now we get this lunch, chicken and mashed potato. I have salmon and broccoli and some sauce. Huh?
Baboy.
Ah, it's not chicken, it's a pork. And mashed potato, broccoli. I have salmon and some, I don't know what is this, but it's a sweets. So this is for our lunch. We are waiting now to pay in the counter. More people. Okay, now we have here lunch. Here now with IKEA view. Приятного. This is all shops there. It's outlet. So this is the outlet mall in Ava.
And this is highway.
Yeah, this is the highway there.
Just wanna be with
Here
What did you say, love?
we have finished our tour in IKEA.
Yes, we are done for IKEA. We are done for lunch. So now, hey, big dog. Love, don't leave me. Dog is here.
That is going there.
Yeah. So now we're done. That's how is IKEA. IKEA here is like out of Belgrade. It's correct, love? It's out of Belgrade. It's there is electric car. I saw now. And then there is a charger for this. You see how it is. Okay, by the way, we are done, and that's house IKEA I told you before, and this is really nice store today in IKEA. It's my first time to come here in IKEA, and really I'm happy because for the view, for the really you will enjoy the place. I mean, and then you can buy many things, and there is also outlet mall near, and then what I can say more. But really, it's nice to be here. I enjoy in my day. Always tobacco eh. Your mouth always with the smoke.
Instead of going home.
We are going home. Goodbye IKEA. We're back home now. It's almost, what time is it?
15 minutes till 5.
So 5 p.m. off. We left home like 11. No, 10:30. 10:30, and now we go home at 5. So off. All the really nice to spend time all day in this area here. And there is nice place for walk there. Example for walking in outlet mall to go to. We've been in Lidl. We've been in outlet mall. We've been here in IKEA, and then after lunch, and then time to go. So okay guys, ciao ciao, thank you so much for watching for IKEA tour vlog, and the next, because will be coming nice weather, really, oh my god, so I can bring you in the more place, more video to come. And it's already sunset when I'm back home. You see guys, what's the name of the city, guy?
Kaluđerica. Kaluđerica.
Kaluđerica.
Yeah,
Wow.
This is the part of Belgrade.
Part of Belgrade, Kaluđerica. Oof, Thomas' house. But it's nice. Like, oh, when I was in Italy, I used to like this. When we are in the top of the lake. No more, huh? Or in that area?
No, we are in the...
Okay, so we're back in Belgrade. This building is nice. You see, love? Yes, this. Yes, this. You see how it's nice? Konjarnik. Oh, okay. Kula Bagra.
But it's nice.
And thank you so much for watching, guys. Ciao. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.